second time to Bodh Gaya. Yay! I know it's kind of unusual to be excited about a holy place, but it is really a place you have to experience. And it's a very holy place. There's going to be a lot of monks and nuns, and I'm going with my dad.
Welcome to Bodh Gaya and Mdm Ooi, land of enlightenment.
So we enter this gate now, we have to leave our shoes.
Yeah, change money. Okay. Animal.
Muslims came here, he destroyed this temple and he covered. So 600 years it was all underground. While it was excavated, while it was dug out, many small pieces found from here and there. So all the small broken pieces collected and put together like a stupa. You see, head is not there, leg is not there. So all the broken pieces are there. Now, can we see this railing there? These are called Ashoka railing. It was made by King Ashoka 2300 years ago. Ashoka railing. Yeah, like protection wall we can say. But these are not the old one, not the original one, because it was destroyed. So some pieces are the originals one. Those original pieces I will show you. These are copies of those or replicas of those. These are made by Lord Cunningham after 1880 by the British archaeologists. First work was that time, then second was 1966. Those very days, our Prime Minister, India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, he was a Hindu. But he was very much interested in the Buddhism. Why? Because according to Hinduism, Buddha is not a separate god. Buddha is a part of Hindu god, or Buddha is the 9th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So all the Hindu people have a space in the heart for Lord Buddha. Or wherever we go, any Hindu temple, we can get a statue of Lord Buddha there. So Hindi people, when they pray Rama, Krishna, Vishnu, Shiva, they also same time they worship to Lord Buddha. So it is true he was a Hindu, but he was very much interested in this religion. So not only here, he went all the Buddhist sites, Sarnath, Saravasti, Kusinara, and he did the permission to the archaeologists, do the proper work, do the proper maintenance. So he gave the permission to make everything in the proper way. For example, I can say you, we can see this temple there, looks like cement. There is a cement plaster is there. So 2000 years ago there was no cement. So just to protect those very days, actually fully temple was built by bricks only. And those very days, bricks joined sugarcane juice, lime, and they put some chemicals there, and then they joined the bricks. Cement was not there. So when it was excavated, only looks bricks. So by the sunlight, by the rain, that going to destroy it. So just for the safety view, first cement plaster was done in 1956, and then time to time, when need necessary, they do. Every 10 years, every 15 years, like that. Yeah. Can we see these statues there? These all statues are 1000 years old. These are made of black stone, golden paint are there. Painting, repairing every year, every 2 years, but the statues are 1000 years old. You see that pose there, that is called first preaching pose. Buddha gave his first sermon in that pose. This is called touching the earth. He got enlightenment in this pose. So Buddha statues, different poses are there, different mudras are there. Dhamma, we call in our language Dhamma Chakra Parivartana Mudra. Dhamma Chakra Parivartana Mudra means first preaching pose, and second we call Bhumi Sparsh Mudra, touching the earth. Yes, we will see. Please come. Now, can we see this a small tree is there? This is called Raja Yatna tree. Raja Yatna, name of the tree. Actually, after getting enlightenment in the 7th week, 6th week we have seen in the pond, 7th week Lord Buddha came here for meditation. While he was meditating, or end of meditation, two traders, two businessmen from Burma, they were passing through this way. Because those days it was full of forest, there was no temple. So when they were passing, they saw to Lord Buddha. When they saw to Lord Buddha, Buddha thought, better we go, pay attention to Lord Buddha, then we go to do our business. So he came to Buddha, or he went to Buddha, and he gave some rice, cake and honey to Lord Buddha. And he requesting something from his side for their good business or for their good luck. But Buddha had nothing. And Buddha want to keep them happy. So what Buddha do? He took some here like this, gave to the businessman. And businessman became very happy. And they were the first two disciples who says, we will go to Lord Buddha and we will follow teachings of Lord Buddha or preachings of Lord Buddha. It means we say a shloka like Buddham Saranam Gacchami, Dhammam Saranam Gacchami. Yeah, I took refuge to Buddha, I took refuge to Buddha Dhamma, only two. Third is Sangham Saranam Gacchami. So Sangham Saranam Gacchami he did not say. Why? Sangha means at least 5 people. After that, from this place, Buddha went to the Bodhi tree for few moments, and he gave thanks to the tree. O Bodhi tree, I was very lucky to attain enlightenment under your shade. And then from this place, Buddha went to Sarnath near Varanasi and gave his first sermon. And after doing the businessman from Burma, when he back his country, he had some Buddha's hair. So he put the hair into the casket. And casket he kept into the ground. And on the casket, he set up huge stupa, very big stupa.
Where is that?
Which is in Yangon, capital of Myanmar. And there is a stupa pagoda which is called Swedagon Pagoda. Swedagon.
Not the shoe.
Yeah. Swedagon Pagoda, which is one of the first pagoda in the world for Buddhist, that is in Yangon, capital of Myanmar. So, because Buddha meditated 1 week there, so just memory of the place, this tree is planted few years ago. This tree is planted few years ago. This is not the old one, not the real one. Look at this one. That pillar is the oldest one, 2,300 years old. That one, King Ashoka made. Only that one. And you see this one. This is the second one. Real one, old one. From time of Ashoka. And look at elephant is there. Can we see elephant is there? So once Lord Buddha meditate alone into the forest, that place is called Koshambi. Koshambi is the place. Then elephant and monkey, they brought some fruit like mangoes, apple, banana and gave to Buddha. This is the third pillar. This is the third piece. 1, 2. This is the third piece. Is the old one. This is the third one. 2,300 years old from time of Ashoka. And one more left here. This one. This is the last one. Yeah, this is the last one. So only 4 are left. Others are copies of these or replicas of these. This is the tree under which Siddhartha became Buddha, or Buddha got enlightenment about 2,600 years ago. But now this is not the real one. This is not the old tree, 4th generation from Buddha time. Because when here was the first tree, real tree was cutted. King Ashoka's wife. Because when King Ashoka became Buddhist, his wife did not like it. So she came and cut it. But root was there. Actually, as I told, she didn't like this, so not in the religion. Actually, when Ashoka accepted the Buddhism, all the time he was here only. So she thought, if all the time he was here, what happened to me? So once he was not here, so she came with some soldiers and she cut the tree. Then she was cut from upside, root was there. From the same root, second tree spread out. That was also cut by Sheshang. He was Hindu king from West Bengal, from Kolkata. Then again root was there. From the same root, third tree spread out, which was destroyed by nature. So when the third tree destroyed by nature, completely from the roots, nothing was there. Then what happened? When here was the real tree, original tree, one a small branch of the tree took from here and planted to Sri Lanka by daughter and son of King Ashoka, Mahendra and Sanghamitra. When all the tree destroyed, again one sapling brought from Sri Lanka and planted here. So right now we can say it is about 130 years old, but same place is not changed. But the actual spot where he attained enlightenment, that I will show you from that point. That is called diamond throne. Diamond throne, Throne. Nothing is diamond there. It was made by King Ashoka, made of a stone, 2,300 years before. Nothing is diamond, but value of this platform more than diamond. Why? Because this is the actual spot where he sat for meditation and he attained enlightenment. And this is one of the first place in the world for Buddhist, because Buddhism must start from this place only. Right? And this is all brass golden pen. Prem Dasa donated, President of Sri Lanka, about 20 years ago. So this is very holy place, a very important place. Please all of you look at it in proper way. If you miss this one, you missed whole Bodh Gaya. If you see this one, Bodh Gaya is covered. So please look at slowly moment, take picture, and then we go this way.
最重要的就是这一点，因为这一点是当年佛陀坐在这个树下打坐成道的地方，就是那个黄铜的那个位置上，就是最重要的那一点。
So after enlightenment, first week Buddha meditated under the tree. 1 week in this pose, continuous. For a week, haven't ate, haven't drank, haven't talked, nothing at all. For 7 days, Buddha was under the tree in this pose. In second week, can we see this temple there? Buddha was here. From here, he gazing to this Bodhi tree. 7 days without blinking his eyes lead. Buddha kept 7 days his open eyes, continuous day and night. So Buddha days there was no temple. When there was no temple, very easy to see the Bodhi tree from there. It is a kind of meditation. In third week, he was walking here for 7 days. Wherever he put his feet, lotus came out from the ground. So King Ashoka made this stone flower as a lotus flower. These are the oldest stone from time of Ashoka, but it was broken. So on the platform copies of this. So first week Buddha was under the tree. Second week Buddha was there. Third week he was here. So after enlightenment, in the fourth week, Buddha came here for meditation. While he was meditating, 5 lights came out from his body. When those lights came out, fully area illuminated. Those lights blue, yellow, red, white and orange. That's why we can see the flag in 5 different colors. This is called Buddhist flag. Meaning of this flag, first color is blue, second yellow, red, white, orange. So meaning of this, equality, purity, make the right decision, peace and sacrifices. Here this is a stone gate. A stone one is 2300 years old, King Ashoka made it. And a statue of Buddha is 1000 years old. So this is called jewel source. 5 lights means 5 jewels came out from his body at this place. Equality, purity, make the right decision, then peace and sacrifices. Inside the temple, Lord Buddha's statue, 1000 years old. A statue made of black stone painted with gold. Paint is new, every year repainting. The statue 1000 years old. On Buddha's forehead there is a diamond. That was given by Burmese people from Myanmar in 1993, about 20 years ago. So this is the main temple. And when we look the temple from outside, looks very big. Inside very small space is there. Because thick of the wall, one side 20 feet, about 6 meters. So wall is 20 feet this side, 20 feet this side, 20 feet back side. And just 20 feet behind the statue of Buddha, there is a Mahabodhi tree we have seen. under which he got enlightenment. So this is the main temple. We will go there in the last. Now we will see this temple. Can you see the first statue in the corner? That is Buddha Mother statue. The statue of Buddha Mother, that is 2300 years before, made by King Ashoka. And you see, all the statues are 1000 years old. These are the Buddha statues. And this statue is very special statue. Special means we can see the carving. You see these two men. These are the Mara. Mara means god of temptation. So while he was under the tree, he tried to disturb him. And we can see these are the leaves of the tree. So this is the indication under the tree when he got enlightenment. So these are how 1000 years old. Slowly, take easy. Yes, come.
The fifth,
sixth
is the lotus,
legs,
yes.
and seventh, the two trader of the Burma, they gave him rice and honey. So these are the 7 weeks where Buddha meditated after his enlightenment. Then he moved to Sarnath near Varanasi, which is and one Buddha footprint we have seen under the tree, but not very clearly. Same thing is there. You can go and see.
They always working jobs inside smoke, you know.
Yes, okay, understand.
Because his life is not long life, very difficult here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I go with Jenny.
Just recite the...
Same food?
then you can little bit, practice, a little bit understanding, very important.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Share.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Share.
After season, what do you want to do? We think we're going to a place like, yesterday we shall reach there, do whatever we want. And continue.